wabarakatuh. I praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, honorable chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Shafi. I'm 11 years old. I'm a student. I'm studying in the Niger department in Jamia Shamsul International School Hifz Madrasa Nauga. I want to be a Da'i of Islam. Today this night my daily routine. I get up early in the morning. Then I say dua. Then I make my bed. Then I go to washroom. Then I open the door. Then I brush my teeth. After that I take my ablution. Then I say Fajr Salah. Then I pray to Allah. Then I found the Holy Quran. Then I take bath. Then I have breakfast. After that I take preparation for going to my madrasa. Then I take madrasa injection and put on my shoes and shoes. After that I go to madrasa. Then I give salam to my teacher. Then I put my bag on the table. Firstly I learn Arabic. Secondly I learn English. Thirdly I learn Bangla. At last I learn math. Next I finish my class. Then I come back to my room. Then I give salam to my mother. Then I take off my shoes. Then I change my dress. Then I take shower. Then I perform Fajr Salah. Then I have lunch. After that I take rest some time. Then I perform Asr Salah. Then I go outside. Then I wander. Then I go to the field. Then I play football. After that I perform Maghrib Salah. Then I return to my room. Then I enter my study room. After that I turn on the light. Then I sweep my study room. Then I clean my study room. Then I study long time. Firstly, I read my books. Secondly, I memorize my lessons. Thirdly, I revise the previous lessons. After that, I practice handwriting. Then I finish my homework. Then I perform Isha Salah. Then I have dinner. After that, I turn off the light. Then I say dua. Then I sleep at 10 p.m. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মাশাআল্লাহ, জাযাকাল্লাহ। তো আমরা আরো কিছু আপনাদের